In today's hyper-connected world, we're always on. Notifications buzzing, deadlines piling up, people demanding pieces of our attention every hour. No wonder burnout has become a modern epidemic. But what if the answer isn't in doing more, but in doing less with greater intention? The ancient Stoics, philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, faced battles of the mind just like we do. Their approach? Preserve your energy. Focus only on what's within your control. In this video, we'll explore 5 Stoic principles that can help you combat burnout and reclaim your peace of mind. If you're feeling drained, stay with me. This might just reset your life. Control what you can. Let go of the rest. The Stoics taught a powerful lesson. Distinguish between what you can control and what you cannot. Burnout often comes from obsessing over things outside our power. Other people's opinions, unexpected changes, or even the future itself. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." When you constantly try to manage outcomes you don't control, you drain your energy. Instead, redirect your focus inward. Control your reactions, your thoughts, your choices. Let go of trying to fix everything. This isn't passivity. It's power. By cutting out the noise of the uncontrollable, you give your mind room to breathe and refocus on what truly matters. That's the first step toward reclaiming your energy. Practice voluntary discomfort. It may sound strange, but choosing discomfort can actually preserve your energy. How? The Stoics practiced what they called premeditatio malorum, preparing for adversity. By occasionally fasting, embracing silence, or walking without luxury, they trained their minds to be resilient. When you choose discomfort on your terms, you build mental armor. In contrast, avoiding all hardship weakens your tolerance, making every stressor feel overwhelming. Start small. Take cold showers. Unplug for a day, or sit in quiet reflection. These intentional challenges reset your nervous system and make everyday stressors feel lighter. You become unshakable, not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. Resilience is a renewable energy source, and it's built, not found. Set clear boundaries without guilt. Stoicism isn't about shutting off emotions, it's about directing them wisely. If you're constantly overextending yourself to please others, you're leaking energy. Seneca advised, associate with people who are likely to improve you. Not everyone deserves unlimited access to you. Start setting boundaries, say no when needed, protect your time, and guard your mental space. Don't feel guilty. You're not being selfish. You're being strategic. Burnout often hides behind the mask of being nice. But true strength lies in knowing your limits and respecting them. When you control who and what gets your attention, you don't just avoid burnout. You build a fortress of peace around your soul. Embrace silence and solitude. Noise exhausts us. Constant talking, endless scrolling, background chatter. The Stoics believed in the power of silence, Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Solitude isn't loneliness, it's restoration. Carve out time each day to be alone with your thoughts. Journaling, nature walks, or even 5 quiet minutes before bed can recharge you deeply. Silence creates clarity. It lets your mind process, prioritize, and recover. In a world where everyone's broadcasting their lives 24/7, choosing silence is an act of rebellion and renewal. Guard your peace. In the quiet, your power returns. Live according to your values. The final Stoic energy-preserving principle is alignment. Burnout often creeps in when you live out of sync with your values. Chasing status, wealth, or approval instead of purpose. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? When you clarify your values, decisions become simpler. You stop saying yes to things that drain you and start building a life that fuels you. The Stoics urged us to live with virtue, wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. When your actions match your principles, inner conflict disappears. You stop running in circles and start moving with intention. And that alignment doesn't just preserve energy, it creates it. Burnout isn't always about working too hard. It's often about working without direction, without rest, without boundaries. The Stoics offer more than ancient wisdom. They offer a timeless roadmap to protect your energy in a chaotic world. Control what you can. Train your mind. Set boundaries. Embrace silence. Live by your values. These aren't just nice ideas. They're tools for survival. If you're feeling drained, start here. Your peace is worth protecting, and so are you. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need it too.